That is your Scenic.
Hi, I'm Gary, cooking ambassador from Asia Scenic Thai Cooking School, Chiang Mai, Thailand. But now we don't cook, but we're gonna eat ice cream. This is Thai ice cream. You can see, come together and see. If you come to Thailand, don't miss all ice cream. This one, อันนี้คืออะไรคะ
ใบเตย
This one is a flavor of pandanus leaf. And this one?
ทุเรียน
Durian flavor. Not for me. Who order durian? No, no durian. Okay.
ชาเขียว
This one is green tea. Green tea. Coconut. How much? กี่บาทคะ one each, just only 10 baht. Just 10 baht. You see, excuse me. Okay, this one like a Thai dessert, but we use for ice cream and yeah, just only 10 baht. But you see the small card like this and many flavor. You like they show you in Thai, English, and Chinese. Like it's just only 10 baht. One thing that you should not miss when you travel in Thailand. Let's enjoy ice cream. Bye.
Come on and cook with me. That is your Scenic. Come on and cook with me. That is your Scenic.